This is a really good question I got asked under one of my recent posts. So let me break down how to rehabilitate overworked, overfiled nails. Now I wanted to show you a picture of telltale overworked, overfiled nails. You can see that this person has a little bit of regrowth here where we can see the natural ridges in the nails, but this area of the nail plate has been overfiled within an inch of its life. Typically this happens from removing nail product in an aggressive manner or just filing the nails really aggressively every time you reapply product. So you can see that we have nail plate missing in some of these areas. We also have onycholysis, which is where the nail plate lifts from the nail bed. And we also have these telltale signs of overfiling, which is very, very red nail plates. That's because we've filed through those layers of material of our nail plate and we're so close to the nail bed that we can see that redness shining through. All right, so step one for rehabilitating overworked, overfiled nails is keep them short and round out corners. This is a perfect example of implementing that. You'll notice that the nail plates are very short and that there's rounded corners. This is gonna help make sure that your nail plates don't get hung up on anything and that there's no leverage on them that can cause that separation of the nail plate and the nail bed, that onycholysis. So keeping them nice and short and rounded is going to help them rehabilitate without getting caught or pulled on. Step number two is going to be keep your skin and nail plate well moisturized. Cuticle oil is a very basic example of what to use for that, but I actually recommend using something thicker, more like an emollient or an ointment. I really love Vaseline or Aquifer, things that are thicker that stay in place. And ultimately these products are gonna get two things. They're going to actually help repair the skin barrier around your nail plate, which ultimately helps your nail plate and also, healing wounds or overfiling or overcutting skin. And it's also gonna help moisturize your nail plate, which is going to prevent water absorption and shrinking of the nail plate, which ultimately leads to brittle nails. Now, my last piece of advice might surprise you because a lot of people will reach for some type of nail strengthener, nail polish strengthener product, and I actually recommend not to use these. A lot of these nail strengthening products are more just clear nail polish. Our nail plates don't really absorb vitamins the way you might think they would. And so a lot of this is just creating extra layers on top, which can feel good, but the solvents in the nail polish are gonna dry your nail plates out big time. And a lot of nail strengtheners rely on keratin, and the keratin can actually over-keratinize the upper layers of your nail plate and over-keratinize your skin, leading to very crusty, dry, brittle, rigid nails, which leads to more flaking and more cracking. Keeping them moisturized, short, and rounding out those corners is ultimately gonna be the best method to get your nails back to perfect condition. It does take about 3 to 4 months to completely regrow a fingernail from matrix to free edge. The matrix is the area inside of our finger where our nail plate is formed. But just be gentle with your skin and your nails. Don't be tempted to reapply product too soon because ultimately overworked nails don't hang on to product very well. You're gonna get into this vicious cycle of things lifting and falling off and having to reapply, which is how you end up with those very overworked nail beds to begin with.